Here we have a fraction, so we are going to apply the law where we subtract exponents from one another. But before we do that, we see that we have two coefficients, 4 and negative 2. Now these are not exponents, so I won't say 4 minus 2. I will actually ignore the variables and simply simplify 4 divided by negative 2. And that answer is negative 2. Now, I am done with 4 and 2. So let us move on to the exponents. So I have x to the power of 3, and I'm going to subtract 5 from it. So remember, the law says if the bases are the same and we divide, then we subtract exponents. The same goes for y. So I have y to the power of 5 minus 2. And if I simplify that, I have negative 2, x to the power of negative 2, y to the power of 3. Now, normally you would think that you are done with this calculation, but in algebra, we always want to leave our exponents as positive values. So we are applying the law that says if I have x to the power of negative 2, I can rewrite that as 1 over x squared. So all that I'm simply doing is I'm rewriting x to the power of negative 2 as x squared in fraction form. So in our final answer, we have negative 2 as our coefficient, y to the power of 3 in the numerator, and x squared in the denominator.